How to fix your account has been disabled in App Store on iPhone. Now, if your Apple ID account has been disabled from App Store and iTunes, this could be happening due to many reasons. First, Apple might have detected a suspicious behavior from your account, like maybe an outdated info or just something wrong with your account information. In that case, they will flag your account. So first open Settings and tap your Apple ID profile from the top. Go to the option Payment and Shipping. And then after you went to Payment and Shipping, make sure that none of the information is incorrect right there. And make sure that all the information is correct. Second thing you can try to do is, you can try to change your password. So again, go to Sign in and Security option, which is again at the top. So you can just come back, tap on Sign in and Security, and just try to change your Apple ID password by tapping this Change Password option and changing it for good. That should also help you solve the problem. You can try to scroll down, sign out of your current Apple ID account, sign in back again to see if that helps you. It could also be the issue with your Apple ID region, so make sure that your region is correct. Open up your App Store, tap your Apple ID from the top right hand side, go to the option which is your Apple ID profile right there, tap on your Apple ID profile. Once you've done that, you'll be taken to the next page over here where you can try to check for your region and see if that helps you. If none of the solution works, the only thing you can try to do is you could try to go ahead and then create and use a new Apple ID by removing the current one. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon as always in the next video.